If your portal customers keep asking for more information about their requests, this might be the right solution for you. It's Elena again, and I would like to show you the Advanced Portal Reports, a self-service reporting app built right into your Jira Service Management portal. Let your customers have extended visibility, advanced filtering, and controlled field editing, all without a Jira license. Now, let's look at a common use case scenario together. A company runs an internal IT help desk in a project called customer support. Employees would submit tickets here, but they would quickly follow up with questions like, who's handling this? When can I expect a reply? Why is this taking so long? By default, the GSM portal does not answer any of that information. But with the Advanced Portal Reports, you can close this gap and deliver what we like to call the last mile of self-service. Let's look at the report. In just a few clicks, administrators can configure for portal users to see important fields like assignee, date of creation, time to first response, or keep track of the ticket status. Customers then can easily filter by SLA, use the search bar to allocate tickets by text field or reference number, and if they need the report list for a meeting, they can easily export it to a CSV or an Excel file. All in real time and no agent involvement required. And that is real ticket visibility and self-service for your portal customers. But if they also need to add or change the prioritization of their requests, that's where the advanced edition of our app comes in. Imagine the same IT help desk team handles the company's internal project initiatives too. And before deciding what the IT team should tackle next, portal customers can directly edit and set the order in which they would like the projects executed right here in the table. And they can also select which quarter they're targeting. No separate planning documents or a long email thread involved. Advanced Portal Reports is now built on Forge, so it's fast, secure, and it carries the Runs on Atlassian badge. You can find it on the Atlassian Marketplace in 2 editions, Standard and Advanced. Feel free to try both. It's free for the first 30 days of evaluation. And if you're not sure yet, reach out to book a demo. We'll be happy to walk you through all the features. Thank you for watching.